everyone, welcome back to Easy English Channel. I'm Olivia, and I'm really excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Steve, equally excited. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic, how to confidently talk about your future in English, all your plans, goals, and dreams.
That's right, Steve. And if you're a beginner, please don't worry. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. The most crucial step is just to begin speaking, even if it's just a few words.
Absolutely. Every single word you speak, every small sentence you form, every practice session, it all contributes. Think of it like building blocks. Each one makes your future in English brighter and stronger. Don't underestimate those consistent efforts.
What a perfect way to put it. So let's jump right in with one of the most fundamental words for the future, will. Steve, when do we typically use will?
Certainly. Will is very versatile. We use it for three main situations. First, for decisions made right at the moment of speaking, spontaneous decisions, like, it's cold in here, I will close the window. Second, for promises, I will call you tomorrow, or I will help you with that. And third, for predictions, especially when based on our personal opinion. I think it will rain later, or she will be a great leader. It's about our thoughts on what might happen.
That makes so much sense. Spontaneous decisions, promises, and predictions based on opinion. Let's hear a few more practical examples for our listeners.
You bet. Listen carefully. First, I will practice English every day. That's a great promise to yourself. Next, I will call you tomorrow to discuss the details. And finally, she will definitely help you with your project. See how will fits perfectly in each context?
Fantastic. Now repeat after me, focusing on the sound and rhythm. I will learn English. Just say it with confidence. Great job, everyone.
Indeed. Moving on, let's explore going to. Olivia, how is going to different from will?
Excellent question, Steve. While will is often spontaneous, going to is all about plans we've already made or decisions we've already taken. It implies a pre-existing intention. Think of it as, I have decided this and now I am going to do it. It carries a sense of certainty because the decision is already formed.
Exactly. You've already thought about it. For example, I am going to study tonight means you've decided and set aside time. Or, we are going to watch a movie this weekend. Probably pick the movie. Another is, they are going to start a new job next month. These are definite, prearranged plans.
Those examples highlight the difference. Going to is for committed plans. So let's practice. Say this with me clearly and with purpose. I am going to improve my English. How does that feel? Perfect. Keep that intention strong.
Excellent. And Olivia, talking about the future isn't just about grammar. It's also deeply connected to our personal aspirations, our biggest dreams and goals. Language becomes truly personal here.
You've hit on such an important point. Expressing your dreams and goals in English is incredibly empowering. What are some simple, effective phrases our listeners can use to share these ambitions?
So many wonderful ways. You can use phrases conveying desire, hope, or intention. For instance, I want to travel the world, or I hope to get a better job next year. For active pursuits, I plan to study online for a new certification. You can also say, I dream of becoming fluent in English. Even these simple sentences carry immense power.
That's great advice. Simple sentences are powerful, especially when from the heart. Don't be afraid to speak them. Now, to make our future plans even clearer, we add time expressions. Steve, what are some useful future time words?
Great question, Olivia. Adding time words helps immensely. Common ones are tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year. For something less specific but near, we use soon. These words act like signposts. giving context to our future statements, whether with will or going to. They anchor our plans in time.
Perfect. Let's hear a couple of examples that integrate these time words with both will and going to. It's good to hear how they fit seamlessly.
Absolutely. With will, I will call you tomorrow to confirm our meeting. And with going to, I'm going to take an important English test next week, so I need to study a lot. See how tomorrow and next week slot right in, making the action precise, indispensable for clear communication.
Those examples are incredibly helpful. And as we talk about making plans, it's important to remember that learning English is truly a journey. It's not a sprint. It's more like a marathon with lots of scenery and some challenging hills.
That's such a perfect analogy, Olivia. Some days, everything clicks. You feel motivated. Those are easy days. But there will also be hard days, feeling stuck, making mistakes, or just being tired. The key is never to give up. Consistency, even on tough days, makes the difference.
And on those hard days, when you feel like you're making mistakes, I